Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to hide snaps on Snapchat. The first thing you do is open up Snapchat. Now, before we go into how to actually hide it, let's talk about this feature. Now, you can hide specific snaps and videos from your main camera roll using a feature which Snapchat offers, and that feature is called My Eyes Only. Now, My Eyes Only is a feature offered by Snapchat that allows you to hide specific snaps and videos from your main camera roll. So, how do you access this? From your main camera roll. From here, what you do is that you pull up, slide up until it opens up memories for you like this. Now let's go back, sorry. Let's cancel this. Pull up and then press back. Now this is your memories. Press the back button, just open up memories. Now you slide until you see My Eyes Only. Then you can see snaps you move here can only be seen after you enter a My Eyes Only password. So tap on setup. Then you create a password. If you forget your password, Snapchat won't be able to recover it or your private snaps for you. So be very careful about the password you're using. So we choose our password. Confirm the password. And then you tap on I understand that if I forget this password, Snapchat won't be able to recover my password or my snaps in My Eyes Only. So make sure you tick it at the bottom here and tap on continue. And now you finish setting it up. The next thing you're going to do, we're going to, like I told you, you set it up first, then you're going to move snaps to My Eyes Only. So let's move them. This is snap I've taken. I want to move. So tap on it and then I press down on it like this. And I can see the option for hide snaps, or tap on the three dots at top left corner, at top right corner, tap on hide snap and tap on move. So now, if you want to access this, you have to pull to the side and tap on My Eyes Only, put in your password, and then you can see the snap that you just added. It is as simple as that. So, but don't forget what I said earlier. If you forget your passcode, you won't be able to recover your hidden snaps. So be cautious when creating your passcode and keep it secured. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more.